What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be going over how to record a phone game, a mobile game on your phone or iPad or whatever you're using, tablet, and then edit it in Movie Maker for free. Alright, so all this software you need is free. You just need a phone and a laptop or a computer, and you should be able to do this easily. I'm going to walk through the software you need for both of the devices, and then I'm going to walk through how to use both of the software for both devices. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a screen recorder for your phone. Now you can use any screen recorder that you want. Just, you can try a bunch of different ones and find which one that you like the most. I use one called AZ Screen Recorder, and as you can see, it's right here on my I've already downloaded it and installed it and stuff like that. But all you need to do to get AZ Screen Recorder is download it from your App Store or Play Store. I don't know if it's on iPhones and iPads and Apple iOS and all that stuff, but if it's not, there's tons of other screen recorders. There's, I believe, DU Screen Recorder and a couple other ones that are pretty good for iPhone. They do the same purpose. They serve the same purpose. So you just open up your App Store or Google Play Store and you go up to the search bar. You type in AZ Screen Recorder. There it is. I have it installed already, so I don't need to install it again. And then you install it and you'll have it on your screen. Once you have it installed, it'll show up on your phone wherever you put it, and you just click on it. All right, and what's going to happen is a little icon is going to pop up. There it is. So it's kind of hidden on my phone here a little bit. Oop, there it is. I can pull it off. All right, so here we go. We have the little icon. This is going to control how you record and the videos that you use and all that stuff. And I'm going to go and just click on the icon that pops up. All right, and then 5 little icons are going to show up. The only ones I use is the blue one for settings, and then the red one in the middle with the camera is for recording. Alright, so if I click on the blue one here, you go into the settings. You have resolution options, you have audio options, display options, all that other good stuff. Feel free to go through that, look through all of them, mess around with the settings. Just make it comfortable for you and whatever you want to record in. Alright, and then over here in the next tab is your videos. This is where all your recorded videos are going to be stored at. From here you can delete or preview your videos. You can't edit them or anything. You need to put them on your computer in order to edit them, and that's what we're going to do next. The only thing you need in order to put them on your computer is the charging cable that comes with it. The USB connector that comes with your phone should be able to connect to your laptop, and then you can transfer your stuff over. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, once you've connected your phone to your computer or laptop, now you need to go into your File Explorer and extract the videos and put them in a place where you can get them and edit them. Alright, so your File Explorer for Windows is going to look like this. It's this yellow folder. For Mac, I'm not sure what it is. Just wherever it's at on your Mac computer, wherever your files go, just find that. I don't know where it is, honestly. I have a Windows machine, so you're just gonna have to find it on your own. Once you find your folder, File Explorer, for Windows people, you're gonna go down to this PC. All right, so for me, it shows up right here. There's my phone right there. If it doesn't show up for you automatically, you can just click on this PC. And when you click on this PC, it's going to show you everything about your computer. It's going to show you all your folders, all your drives, and then everything that's connected to your computer. You're just going to click on your phone, all right? We're going to go into phone. All these folders for apps and pictures and videos and all that other stuff. So what you want to do is go into AZ Recorder Free. So that's where all the videos for me stores at. So there's all the videos that I've done on my phone so far. In order to transfer them, you can do it in 2 ways. You can just click on one of them, and then I like to put them right here on I like to put them in my YouTube folder, so I can just drag and then drop it right there. If I'm not going to, because I've already put it there. You just drag and you can just click, drag and drop, or you can just copy, right click, copy, all right, copy, and then you go to your folder that you want to put it in, and then you just come down and you select paste. All right, very easy to do. And if you want to do multiple at one time, let's go back to our phone. All right, so phone, and just ignore everything in the back, by the way. That's all. That's just OBS. That's not important. You're not going to be using any of that for this process. All right, so if you want to select more than one video at a time, you can click on these little check boxes. All right, just make sure you don't click outside the checkbox, because then it's going to deselect everything. Or you can click on one of them, okay, and then you hold down the shift key. As you move with your arrow keys, you move to the right, you move down, you move right, you move down, and now I have all my videos selected, and I can just click, drag and drop all 9 videos at one time, and I can put them into my folder if I wanted to. Okay, just a little small tip. And if you have a bunch of videos and stuff like that. All right, so now that we've gotten your videos, or you got your videos on your folder, and you put it in a place where you want to, whether it's your desktop or a specific folder, just somewhere you can remember you're going to put them. Now it's time to use the free software to edit them. All right, so once you've got your videos onto your computer, now you need to get the software to edit them and make the video that you want to make. All right, so it's not, it's a free software. Of course, it's not gonna be the best software out there. If you want something more advanced, or if you want something that allows you to have more tools and do more things, you're gonna have to find one that,
you have to pay for. So I have Filmora, I have Wondershare right now, Filmora, that is the software that I use to make videos, and it has a lot more tools than the old one I used to use, but the old one I used was free. All right, so what you're gonna want to do is go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. Once you're here, you're gonna type in download Movie Maker 2016. Okay, not 2019. 2019 is the paid version. You have to pay for it to work properly. All right, so once you type that in, hit enter, you're going to see the results. As you can see, you're going to click on this link right here, this Windows Movie Maker 2019 free download, latest and classic. If you click on it, I know it says 2019, but if you look, you have an option for 2016. All right, so you're going to click on this download button. All right, and once that finishes download, you're going to click on it. You're going to have it run through the setup, and then you set it to whatever you want. All right, once it's finished downloading and you've installed it on your computer, just going to minimize this. You're going to click on the Windows Movie Maker from your desktop or wherever you put it. I also put it on my taskbar. Just wherever you put it, click on it, open it up. Or if it's not there, just type in Movie Maker, and it's not showing an app or an icon for me, but click enter. And here we are, my old friend Movie Maker 2016. Holy moly, I haven't seen this in so long. All right, so it's really easy to use this software. I mean, it's like not that difficult at all. What you're going to want to do, you can click inside of this. This is your editing area. This is where you edit all your videos. I don't know what it's professionally called or whatever. That's where you edit all your videos. You can click in it and you can pull a video out. Okay, and it's gonna load in. All right, you see on the bottom there, Movie Maker is preparing your files. There's a bar of how long or how much progress is left. Once that fills up, it's done. It's got to load the video and the audio, and I mean all software works like that. So once that's done finishing, we're gonna come back to it. Okay, so the video has finished encoding, and now we can edit our video and make it look good so that we can upload it to YouTube or wherever we're going to upload it to. All right, so what we're going to do is click on edit up here, and we have a bunch of different options. We have video volume, we have fading in and out, we have speed. The split tool is going to be really useful for you, and then the trim tool, I don't really use that tool too much, but you can if you want to experiment with that. But the set start point and set end point is also really powerful tool to use as well. All right, so let's say that I'm going to mute this, by the way, because I don't want it to play over my voice. I'm just going to lower the volume. Let's say I get to this part in the video and I'm like, oh, this is kind of weird. I want to redo it, or I want to put something else right here, like a little funny gag. You just click on the split tool, boom, and now you have two separate videos, right? You got two separate videos, but it's the same video. So now you can put something in between that. So if you want to add something, you can go to Home, Add Videos and Photos, or you can right click and Add Videos and Photo. All right. So if I were to add like a picture, this is my outro for my YouTube channel, and when it plays, so you can click on the play button over here, or you can just click on the space bar. All right, it's playing, and then it cuts in. Okay, nice, cool. Oh, it's kind of long. So what you can do here is you can pause it like right in the middle or wherever you want to pause it at. You go back up to your edit tools, video tools. All right, and the duration, so for a picture, for an image, you can't split it. You have to set the duration of it. What you can do to get around it, so say that point right there is where you want to end it, and you don't know if that's 4 seconds or maybe 3.5 seconds. I have no idea. That could be, from here, you can guess if you want. You can select whatever one you want. You can also, if I click out of here and you just highlight it, you can delete it, and you can put in you can type in whatever number you want, 3.5, 2.5, whatever you want. Or if you say, this is the exact point I want to end it at, you can click Send Endpoint. And it'll set that endpoint right there. So say you got to the end, you're like, oh, I don't want the rest of this part of the video. You just set the endpoint, you don't have to worry about it, okay? So set endpoint, set start point is really good as well. Now I'm gonna show you the same trick with set start point, which is also really helpful. So for everyone's gonna have bloopers and mess ups, or perhaps when you're first speaking, you're tripping over your words and you're like, all right, I'm gonna start over within the same video. So let's see, like it looks like this part right here, this is audio, these are audio waves. This looks like where I start the video. All right, this looks like, yeah, okay, so it looks like it starts right about there. All right, so I want my start point to be right here. So you just click on set start point, and it just pushes everything up. So everything before that gets cut off and it gets pushed up to the front. Now it's your start point for your video. It's a really useful tool, really helpful for me. And then of course you have your video volume, stuff like that. You can add music to it. You can go to home, we can go to add music. We can add music to the entire thing. And then you can add music to the current point, just wherever you want. So if I put the Dynasty Warriors theme, why not? All right, it's gonna load in. You see the green right there? That's gonna be your music. All right. So if I were to play it, I'm gonna play it real quick. You hear the music playing. Okay. But say you're doing a commentary, and this is what I do for some of my videos. So say you're doing a commentary and you want your music to be really low. So you have the new tool, the new music tools options, right? So you're gonna click on options. All of this works the exact same way as the video tools, all right? So we would click on music volume, and what I do is bring it all the way to almost mute, all right? So if you look really closely, okay, it's like a little sliver of music. And if I were to go up here and you have to go back to the video tools tab right here on edit, video volume, we're gonna raise it back up to about halfway. And now we're gonna play it. And now you can barely hear the music, and I got a commentary going. Okay, so that's how that works. That's how you can put music into. I'm just gonna pause it here because I don't want it to get too messy. But that's how you can put music in. You can split it. You can put it all together. So let's say you got everything done. Actually, before we do that, let me take a look at it. So you got your animations here. Your animations are your transitions. All right, these are the transitions you can set to when one part of the video goes to another part. So if this wasn't the same video, let's say that this was a different video or a different replay I was doing or a different segment or something that it needs to be transitioned, you can click the show all button right here, and you have all these transitions to choose from. Okay, so if I choose this one right here, you'll see this little white triangle. Okay, see that white triangle right there? That's a transition, all right? You have the duration of the transition, so let's play it now. Spacebar, it's playing. See that? Now it's a transition. Let's say that transition was too short, or maybe it was too long. You just go back to animations, and it's still selected on that little cross one. And then you just click on the duration here. You can make it longer, you can make it bigger, and you can also erase it and put any number you want in it. It makes the transition longer, all right? That's the basics of it. You have your visual effects. You can put black and white on it, anything you want. Just play around with it. There's a bunch of other options and stuff like that. All right, so let's say that now, you get your transitions done, you got it edited, you're ready to go, it looks good. Now you're ready to save it to your computer so you can upload it to YouTube, all right? So you're gonna go to File, you're gonna go to Save Movie, and you're gonna go to For High Definition Display. You're gonna click on High Definition Display, all right? And your File Explorer is gonna pop up again, and you can save it in your folder or desktop, wherever you want to. I'm just gonna put Movie Maker example. Okay, let's click save. Okay, so the video has finished now, and what you can do is you can play it, you can look at it. I like to do it just to make sure I don't miss anything or there's no mishaps or anything. You can play it directly, you can open the folder where it's located, or you can just close it out and upload it directly to YouTube. All right, so to upload it to YouTube, it's pretty simple. You just go to Google Chrome, you go to your YouTube, and then at this point all you need to do is click on this upload button right here, upload video, and it's gonna load up. And then once you get here, select files to upload, you can just click on it, and then where is it at? Movie Maker example. You just click on it, and now your video is uploading. Put a title, put a description, put some tags in. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you record phone gameplay or phone games, and then record it and edit it and put it on your laptop, so that way you can upload it to YouTube. This software, again, is free to use. It doesn't have a lot of tools, and that's why I moved away from it, is because there were some tools I really wanted for my videos that I saw other content creators using, and that's why I invested into a different software. But if you're just starting out, this is a great software. It kind of gets you used to the video editing software thing. It's a little confusing, especially with some of the other softwares that are out there. I definitely would recommend you trying this out for free if you don't have the money. Maybe you're a kid in high school, maybe you don't have the money to do it right now. Whatever it is, the software definitely helped me in the beginning of my YouTube when I was first starting out. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comment section. But if it was helpful, I definitely appreciate it. Like, comment, or subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.